त्याचो विशय म्हणून खूब गाजता कुडतोरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन मदें तुमचेरूय कोण थोडे आरोप करूंक लागले. सो वॉट इज युअर सी ऑन दीस प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज यू हॅव ऑलवेज सेड कुडतोरी इज एन एग्रीकल्चरल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी.
I have said Puttur is an agricultural constituency, not because I am saying it. It is a fact.
यू ऑलवेज ट्राय टू
आम्ही
प्रोटेक्ट
शेत आम्ही शेत रोयते आम्ही अजून देखून सांबाळटाय आमगे. आतां पंचायतीन खंयचेय पंचायतीन हांव पर्सनली इंटरफेर जायना. राय पंचायतीचे ते एक ग्रुप म्हणजे एलिगेशन करता की हांव पंचायत इंटरफेर करता. दुसरी ग्रुप म्हणटा हांव पंचायत इंटरफेर जायना. राशोल पंचायत आहा, कामोली पंचायत आहा. सरपंच म्हाका कितें बरें आहाय तें तुमी जाण जावाय. तेंगे कोणागे कंप्लेन ना. कुडतोरी पंचायतीत बसून केन्ना इंटरफेर जायना. खंयचे एक प्लॅन पास कर कितें कर केन्ना सांगना. ताका लागून काल हांव पंचायतां गेलो. हांव सांगलो जाल्यार पंचायत जर तर हांवें सांगलो जाल्यार तांकां पास करमी जाल्यार हांव पंचायतां वचपाक म्हाका तोंड नाशिल्लें. I can hide, I can fool the people, but I can't fool my conscience. I don't fool the people. 99% मुगेले 99.5% आमगेले एक हें दवरया कितें एक चुकोन कोणाकू कडेन हांव कितें दिसत हांव उडयत म्हणटा. हांव 99.9% हांव केन्ना मुगे हांव जर तर मुगे फॉल्ट आहा जाल्यार हांव मुगे फॉल्ट मागीर आनी खुशी सोदता. काल हांव पंचायतां गेलो सांगपाक बाबा कितें कोत्ता हें. आय डोंट नो वॉट इज हॅपनिंग देर. सो आय टोल्ड देम नेक्स्ट टायम टेक प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर एंड डू इट. आय वेंट टू द पंचायत एंड आय टोल्ड देम कितें सांगलें फॉलो प्रोसिजर एंड रिवोक द लायसन्स. Say that there are difficulties, say that people have objections, put some reasons, but make a systematic and approach. आज हांव एक रोडा लावूंक गेलो. आज रोडा लावूंक गेलो. एक इशू आ रोड. I had a meeting with the high level meeting with the collectors. Go to see secretary is not there. So on all fronts, I try to do whatever on myself as a duty as an MLA. My work, what is to be done in the interest of public. Beyond politics, मुगे शेतां देखून बियॉन्ड पॉलिटिक्स म्हणून शेतां मुगेले ऑपोजिशन देखून मुगे मिशीन वताय. हांव केन्ना ना म्हणना. म्हाका वोट मारना ते मनीस मुगे मिशीन वताय. हांव केन्ना म्हणा तूं मुगे वोट मारला तूं हें केलां. प्रिवियसली सदां जातालें तूं मुगेलो हो तूं गेलो तो तेगे सपोर्टर हो आसा. हांवें केन्ना म्हणा आस रे कर रे तेका. सो मच सो दॅट माय ओन सपोर्टर्स टेल मी अरे ते तुजे कोंत्रा तूं तेंक दिता आमी कित्याक तुका सपोर्ट करपाचें म्हाका झगड आहे. हांवें आस रे आमच्या वयर कोण आहा. So in that project, if people have objections, I have told the panchayat, revoke the license and finish it off. I have no issues. I am very clear. My conscience is very clean. So what more you want to ask me?
पण ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचो जेन्ना हें जालां पळय तेन्ना तुज्या नोदरेक वा पंचायतीन कितें हाडलेलें तुका कांयच कॉन्फिडन्स ना.
I went to the panchayat because I didn't know. If I knew, I would have not gone to the panchayat. Every plan that passes in the panchayat, it doesn't mean that they should tell me. Let us be fair and square. They should not tell me everything, and then they become rubber stamp. I don't want them to tell me everything. But at least when there is objection or when they should come and inform me.
Why some of your own people म्हणजे तुमच्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीलो तुका तितून पॉयंट आउट थिंक करूंक शकता.
हांव सहाय मेळ्ळी कितें जालें रेजिनाल्ड आजचो शॉर्ट
इलेक्शन लागीं पावलां दिसता.
ना दिस इज नाव कमिंग अंडर मारगांव. बट तांकां दिसती पडटा हांवूच ते सकाळीं उठोन राती उठोन दनपार उठोन न्हिदता आसतना जेवता आसतना तांकां रेजिनाल्ड दिसती पडटा. तांकां लोकांक कितें बरें करपा तें दिसती पडना. तांकां फकत रेजिनाल्ड आनी ताका कितें उडोवपाक तें प्लॅनिंग. सो फायनली इट इज पॉलिटिक्स. आज येयला हांव चोय हांवें मुगे हें गायलां मुगे एक हांवें ताका मुगे ग्रील दिलां एक टू अवॉयड प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड दीस वॉज डन बिफोर लास्ट टायम हिंगा कोवीड प्रेस केली तेणें मुजे उलयले ते डेल्ली काबार जाले ते पार्टीन तूं एकलो मनीस उलयलो डेल्ली ते काबार. हांवें पयलें सांगलो तुका ते डेल्ली इलेक्शन जाता ते आसपा नाय म्हूण. आतां नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन जालें काय ना ते वयतले. But किती हा घंटा? Let us work. Let us do something for the people. That is our wish.
प्रोजेक्ट कसला था येता व्हडला?
I exactly don't know. They say that it is a project of some shops and some flats. And the owner of I have heard that it is Dr. Karma Gracias. तो प्रोजेक्ट पडे घालतात त्या मनशान म्हाका अजून देखो मेळ्ळो ना. टिल टुडे
No, no.
अजून देखो मेळ्ळो ना.
Project घालता पळय तो.
अजून देखो मेळ्ळो. I don't even know who is the person.
So many trees have been cut and all. There was no idea that you had
Where?
over in that same project. They say that all are scattered there and all. तुका आयडिया काय नासली अशें करून.
See, आता सगल्याक खूंय पड झाड कातता खूंय पड कितें कातता तें म्हाका unless brought to my notice I will not know. Unless it's on the road. This is something internal. It is not to my knowledge that it is cut by trees. But if whatever legal action is taken, it will be taken by the forest department. I have not told them not to take it. Not only there, anywhere else. Now, if you go down, you just go down. Go down near that Ashwini estate and go up and see how much trees have been cut. Just go up and see. I brought it to the notice of the collector. In Panspat, there is all hill cutting they are doing, and this I have written to the collector that hill cutting is going. Everywhere, even in leprosy hospital, government land hill cutting was going on. I wrote to the collector that it is going on. Any issue, I have been vocal and in my constituency because I had told the people last time that I would always be vocal as far as my constituency is concerned. Other constituencies I would not interfere. Other issues I would not interfere. That's why I'm not issue. I'm only taking up issues in my constituency. But on every issue, I have written to the collector to take action. I've got letters. I'm simply not talking by word of mouth. I've got letters to produce. They're all there on form. Both in the form of letters and in the form of mails. To the Chief Minister, to the Revenue Minister, to the Collector, to the police, everybody.